Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
Before we get to the lightning round, I want to make sure you don't miss a major event. Tomorrow, we're bringing together top healthcare CEOs, technologists, investors to explore how the most innovative companies are addressing the coronavirus crisis and the lasting effects on the industry. Join leaders from Pfizer, Eli Lilly, the CDC, and more. Yours truly will be talking with Abbott CEO Robert Ford. Do not miss it. Register now at cnbcevents.com/healthy returns. And now it is time. It's over the lightning round. Everybody's about Rob Fargo's one of the and then the lightning round's over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy, time for the lightning round. Let's start with Dee in Florida. Dee.
How are you, Jim?
I am good, Dee. Thank you for asking. What's going on?
Well, first, I want to thank you for sharing your insights all these years. You have been a blessing to me. So, booyah, hallelujah.
Oh, thank you. Hey, say it on Twitter, man. I need a little help over there. Oh, yeah. All right. How do we go to work?
I want to talk today about Home Bank shares. They're a bank out of Arkansas. They're an American bank. They have offices in New York, Alabama, Florida.
Look, it's a good situation. I happen to like all these banks. This one's fine. It's moved up a lot, but they all have. It's not that expensive. I like it. Let's go to Patrick in New York. Patrick.
Aloha. How are you?
I am good. How about you?
You had, about a month ago, suggested I buy an airline, any airline, and I did. I picked my favorite airline, Hawaiian Holdings, Hawaiian Airlines, and it's up 37% since then, and it's almost at its pre-pandemic peak of $30.
Yeah, but it's a winner. It's a winner because we can go to Hawaii and not worry about all the craziness overseas. That's why I like Vegas, too. I would stick with Hawaiian Holdings, but my favorite remains Southwest Air. Let's go to Mike in California. Mike!
Booyah. What's going on, Jim? Thanks for having me on.
Thank you for calling.
I got a stock that was a back-to-school reopening play. It's up 190% since I joined it. I'm wondering if I should ride it a little longer or ride off into the sunset after ringing the register. It is. They sold a part of their publishing. They sold their publishing division to HarperCollins today and closed the deal for $349 million. The stock is Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, HMHC.
You know, I can't cuff this one. I have to do work on it because I remember it from the old days, and it's just not the same company. So I've got to do work after the closing of this. I'm sorry that I am not ready and on top of it, but I have to come back. Let's go to Hugh in Illinois. Hugh.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for having me on.
Oh, I'm glad you called.
I got a question for you about a stock that I've had for about 6 months, and I've increased my position in several times.
Okay.
Their customer base and revenue has been increasing exponentially, and they've made some great acquisitions. I want to know your thoughts on Teladoc Health, symbol TDOC.
Okay, there are too many companies who are in that business, and that's why that stock is going down. There's an overwhelming supply of companies that do that and not as much demand. So I'm going to have to say, no, I would not buy more Teladoc. Let's go to Braden in Illinois. Braden.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Braden.
Hey, thank you for taking my call.
Okay.
Been watching your show since 2009. I was in college, and I sold ball cards to purchase my first stock. My first question is Marathon Petroleum.
I love Marathon Pete. I think Marathon Pete's terrific. And even though it's had a big move, I will continue to buy it. It even reversed today. It's a really good opportunity. I like that very much. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC. on YouTube.